Clos Montblanc XIPELLA is the first label that we developed in the winery long time ago. XIPELLA is actually the name of a local dialect which is disappearing, a dialect from Catalan language which is disappearing, and we wanted to remember, so this is why we use this name in this label. XIPELLA is a wine, actually the grapes that we use here are Samsó, Cabernet Sauvignon and Shiraz, and this wine has been in stainless steel tanks for the first fermentation, and after the malolàctic it will remain in oak barrels from different years for 12 to 16 months. As you can see, the color is very intense. Aromas of grapefruit. And also it has minerality because the grapes are planted in black slate stone, and it also has a very long aftertaste. It's a very nice wine.